In this Mirion do-it-yourself video, we will show you how to change the sample fill height in Geometry Composer. This can be done in two ways. The first way is to click on Edit, then click on Dimensions. Change the value to your new value. For this example, we will change 5 centimeters to 3 centimeters. Click Apply to see the update. Click OK to close dialog window. The second way to change the fill height of your sample is in the geometry tree. Click on the sample. Under Dimensions next to D2.1, you can change the value and hit Enter to update. The fill height here is from the bottom of the container up to the value that's been defined.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.